Differences between index and scale. Index versus scale. An index is a way of compiling one score from a variety of questions or statements that represents a belief, feeling, or attitude. Index is a tool of measuring change in a group of representative data. Whereas scales, on the other hand, measure levels of intensity at the variable level, like how much a person agrees or disagrees with a particular statement. Researchers like to use scales because the questions are easy to ask and there are many different formats. Indexes typically measure the performance of a basket of securities intended to replicate a certain area of the market, whereas scale is used to represent the item being measured in the spectrum of possibilities. The purpose of index is to track the performance of a group of assets in a standardized way, whereas the purpose of scale is to provide the rules that associate values on the scale to the concept we are studying. Both index and scale are used imprecisely and interchangeably in social research. Typically, indices and scale employ multiple observations or items of measurement. Index usually combines observations without concern about their intercorrelations. Dow Jones Industrial Index, DJIA, of 30 large U.S. stocks, Consumer Price Index, CPI of CENT3 components, PSX 100 Index. Whereas scale often evaluates item intercorrelations before selecting items for inclusion. Sometimes, the distinction hinges on whether the indicators measure cause or effect. In short, a financial index produces a numeric score based on inputs such as a variety of asset prices. Indexes in financial markets are often used as benchmarks to evaluate an investment's performance against, whereas scales help put thoughts, feelings, and opinions into measurable form. Scaling is assigning objects to a number. Measurement is the process of collecting and recording the results or observations. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.